Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to make furry text effect in Adobe Illustrator. First I am going to select a text. Then make it big for big enough for to work with. Then take a bold text that is easy to work with. I'll take the blue. And let's change the font. Take this. I will switch to the stroke, and then expand the text. Keep it a little side for now. Time to make the furs. Take the fur size. Okay, give it gradient, any gradient you want to work with. I will give this and this. Make a copy, select both of them, go to object, blend options, select specified steps, give it 100 or 150, any steps you like. Then go to object again and go to blend and select make. Now my blend option is done. Now select effect, go to distort and transform, go to roughen. Now here you can do two things. First, select single of the circles, or do both of them at the same time. That depends wholly on you what you want to do. So roughen, give here 40 or 45, give here another 50, select the preview option to see how the progress is going. We have 45, 55. Okay, let's do it this. Now select both of them and go to the object. Now go to blend. Here I may have missed some points, like, yes, we needed to do this. Select the option, ungroup this, then release the compound path. Okay, then I am going to do some extra steps for it to become a little pretty, like change the angles like 30 or 45. That's your personal options, and make it -30. Oh, sorry, 90, 60 should be better. Okay, then after releasing the compound path, select both of them, both of the shapes, and go to the edit, blend, replace spine. Now you can see that our furry text effect is ready to be used. You can use this effect anywhere you want to use, or make any text for like this system or this. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and ring the bell icon for our next videos.